And I'm Shefali. In a major political and administrative development, leader of Lok Sabha opposition Rahul Gandhi is scheduled to visit Chandigarh today and has reached to meet the family of late IPS officer Puran Kumar, who allegedly died by suicide on October 7 under distressing circumstances. According to the Congress party, Gandhi will arrive in the city around today 10:30 and to express condolences and stand in solidarity with the grieving family. His visit comes amid growing outrage over the officer's death and the ongoing standoff between the deceased officer's family and the Haryana government. Puran Kumar, a 2010 batch IPS officer serving in Haryana, was found dead in his official residence in Sector 11, Chandigarh. Preliminary investigations indicate that he died by suicide using his service revolver. The incident took a grave turn when a suicide note allegedly written by the officer surfaced, naming 14 officials, including senior officer, whom he accused of mental harassment and caste-based discrimination. Following public and political pressure, the Chandigarh police registered an FIR on October 9, around 10:40 p.m. against all 14 individuals mentioned in the note. The accused include Haryana DGP Charanjit Kapoor and Rohtak Superintendent of Police Narendra Bijarnia. The charges have been filed under Section 108 of the Indian Penal Code, abetment to suicide, and Sections 3(1)R and 3(5) of the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act. However, despite the FIR, the late officer's family has refused to consent to the post-mortem, expressing a lack of faith in both the Haryana government and the Chandigarh police. As a result, the officer's body has remained in the morgue since October 7, marking over a week without cremation. The deceased officer's wife, Amneet P. Kumar, a senior IAS officer, has maintained a firm stance, demanding the arrest and suspension of all the officials named in her husband's note before allowing the post-mortem. She has reportedly declined meetings with several state government representatives, describing their outreach as politically motivated pacification. Amid morning political pressure and nationwide outrage, Haryana DGP Charanjit Kapoor has been sent on leave pending the investigation. This development comes as the state government faces criticism from multiple quarters for its handling of the case. Former Haryana CM and leader of opposition in the State Assembly, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, called the incident deeply heartbreaking and demanded strict action. He said, "Our only demand is that justice be delivered and the guilty be punished. If the government's responsibility to ensure fairness and transparency." That is what Hooda said in a statement. Now, meanwhile, the Punjab State Scheduled Caste Commission has also taken a cognizance of the case, expressing dissatisfaction over the initial police report submitted by Chandigarh authorities. Commission Chairman Jasbir Singh Gargi directed officials to act in accordance with the Supreme Court's ruling in Lalita Kumari versus State of Uttar Pradesh, which mandates the prompt registration and investigation of cognizable offences. He also noted that the police report failed to attach a copy of the FIR, raising questions about procedural compliances. A special investigation team has been constituted to probe the case. However, the family and several Dalit organizations have questioned the impartiality of the investigation, alleging system based on biased and institutional protection for high-rank officials. With Rahul Gandhi's visit today, the case has now taken on significant political dimensions, with the Congress leadership accusing the BJP-led Haryana government of administration failure and deliberate inaction. Party leader says Gandhi's visit underscored the Congress commitment to stand with the oppressed and demand accountability at the highest level. As of today morning, the stalemates continue, with this deceased body still lying in the morgue and no arrest made in connection with the FIR. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to the Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.